The process started just prior to COVID, 2018-19. The Planning Commission was looking at all of our facilities, and they identified this park, the Zeeland Park, as a place that really needed an upgrade and had a lot of potential. The play equipment that we were using up till 2 years ago was the same stuff I played with when I was younger and my kids played with, and it was really being underutilized. So the Planning Commission, really, we give them a lot of credit because they had the foresight to take a look at it, investigate some opportunities, and they came up with this design. The decision was to make it as inclusive as possible. The area that we have for play it's got a rubberized base on it, so it's really accessible to everybody. There are no steps in the park really whatsoever. The companion swing over there gets a lot of use because you can get 2, 3, 4 people on there. The beautiful building behind us has had so many good uses over the course of this summer since we opened it up. I've seen a wedding out here. I've seen lots of graduation parties, class reunions, baby showers, those kinds of things. It's just awesome to see the variety of ages and groups of people that are using the facility, and it's useful on a daily basis.
A lot of input was gathered from the residents on what they wanted to see in the pavilion in terms of functionality. Some of the equipment that's in the building in terms of plumbing fixtures, the ability to use green technology for turning on and off the LED lights and occupancy sensors and those types of things. Those are always an adder or a plus one, and this community embraced that and said, if we're going to do it, we're going to do it right. We really tried to use architectural elements of some of the residential properties around the park, and then also bring in some of the materials that are indigenous to this area. So the stone that you see on the park here was just quarried 20 miles away from here. And I think that was one of the selling points. There was 100% buy-in by this community as soon as we put a shovel in the ground. And it's so rewarding to see neighboring young families come and use the park.